Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I have an unboxing, and this is the extra storage that I bought after doing my previous unbagging of the little square storage containers. I decided to order another one because I liked it so much, and I ordered one in a different size as well because I wanted to see what that one was like. So let's get into them and have a look and see what we've got. It's certainly been very, very well packaged, this one. Oh, goodness me. It should hopefully have come in one piece. The last one, unfortunately, did have a little bit of a crack on one of the corners. I haven't contacted them. I know I should have done, but yeah, I just thought it's okay. I've used it anyway, and it's not affected how I use it or any of the beads I use. So this one's got a lot of foam on the corners. Okay, so possibly we've had the problem with the cracks before. And these have come to me from the PDMDOG store on AliExpress, and one has cost me £10.09 and one has cost me £11.69. So one of them has 40 containers and one of them, oops, sorry, hope that didn't make you jump, has 32, because I thought a 32 might be a little bit handy, and it was that little bit cheaper. So it's come in one of the large, it's got bubble wrap on it, but it's also coming like the long strips are there as well, which are pretty useful. So yeah, okay, exceptionally well wrapped. Impressed with the packaging, and I do find it difficult to throw packaging away when it looks like that. Bubble wrap. Oh, I could just sit and play with bubble wrap all day. So yeah, so that's the one that I've already got, which is the 40. Okay, and then this one is the slightly smaller one, which is 32. Right. So I'll put a link to my previous unboxing on my 40 because I don't want to bore you again showing you, but I'll just quickly open it and double check. Okay, I did use it for my Christmas in July kitting up, and I found it very useful. Again, we've got the, there's over 40 there, little, is the 40? I'm not going to count them, of your little circle stickers. Okay, they're the square tic-tac style boxes with the soft plastic lid and the hard plastic container, and they do hold, well, at a push 2,800 drills, but I would stick to around 2,400, 2,500, because if you've got too many in, when you open it, they are liable to fly out. Maybe that's just me. And I'll show you what I've done with my other container. Similar to my round container that I got, what I've actually done is put a piece of card in the bottom. As you can see, this one actually came with a bit of a crack in it and a hole, I'm afraid. So yeah, and I will be doing that on this one as well. And it just stops them moving around a bit, because I don't like this bit where the handle is on the container. You can see there you've got like your grip, it goes in, it delves in there, and it on the bottom. It just means that things don't stand flat. So what I've done on this one is get a piece of hardboard, and I've just put it underneath the bottles or the containers, and it just now makes them sit flat. And then I've also just cut 2 strips, one to go at either side. Oops. You don't have to do this, it's just that I can't be doing with things moving around and not in straight rows. And I've just put a piece of card there at the front and a piece of card at the back, and it just means now they all sit in nice straight rows without them wobbling around. As you can see on this one, the new one that I've got. So I liked it so much I bought it again. I can't say that with many things. So yeah, this one, you know, it rattles around and it's got a lot of movement, whereas this one now is just a little bit firmer and it's in there a little bit better. But you can still lift your containers out, there's no problem getting them out. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to do, and I have cut a piece already, look, ready for that one. So see if I can do this without tipping them all out. This could be fun. Keep your fingers crossed for me. So I'm just going to put that in the bottom there, and then, oops, actually no, I'll put it on top of the containers, and now I'm going to try and lower this down over the top without, do you think I can do it or not? I'm not backing myself on doing this. I think this could all go horribly wrong, but it's worth a try. It's a bit of fun. Why is it not going down? Why is it not going down? That's it, that's it. Okay, we've just got one that's got a bit stuck there. So now when I tip it back that way, ta-da! And are we all the right way around? Yes, we are. We are all the right way around. So now I just need a couple of pieces of the thin card again, well, the hardboard again, just to put down the edges. But yeah, it just makes it stand that little bit more flat. I'd be doing with things waving about at me. So that's that one. That is the more expensive one, which was the £11.69. Okay. So yeah, I just think having 40, it's not having to use a 60, but it's more than your 30, because quite a lot of paintings do come with more than a 30, don't they? So that's that one. And then I've got the smaller one, which, let me have a look, I believe, okay, and this one was the £10.6 one. Ah, now then, so this one is exactly the same size, yeah, as the 64 Tic Tac one. So if you've got any of these 64k sort of bottle Tic Tac container ones, where there's just the like small thin ones, okay, then I do believe Jeanette, one of my YouTube friends, well, we've got our labels there as well. Ooh, these are all the wrong way around. Said that she believed that these square ones are the same size as 2 of the Tic Tacs, and she is absolutely correct. So we have 32 in here instead of having 64 small ones. That's really good. Okay, let me just put these all, ooh, the right way around. Actually, I can just put the lids the right way around, can't I? So yeah, that is really interesting. Now then, let me just flick these round. Actually, these aren't a brilliant fit in here. These are very, very tight. There's no wiggle room at all. As you can see, as I'm lifting some of them, the lids are actually coming off. But I do just have to get these the right way around. But yeah, so they're exactly the same size squares. Let me just, oops. Yeah, they're exactly the same one. They're about 1.5 inches square, I do believe. I think that was what I measured them at. Oh, 1.25 inches, sorry, square, which is about 3 centimetres square. Okay, so they're exactly the same size as the others, so you can always mix and match a little bit if you wanted to move your containers around a bit. And then, oops, so that one will just go there. And yeah, I can just move the lids around a lot. But yeah, this one is a lot tighter, so I'm not quite sure that I would buy another one of these. Albeit, I suppose if I wanted to change this one into these squares and have the bigger containers, then I could maybe substitute these out for those. But yeah, so that's a different sort of storage. The thing I like about these is that they're a smaller footprint. I love my cases. I just think, you know, these little cases are so durable, strong. You've got your zip to keep them all together, but they do take up quite a bit of room. And you've got your foam rubber in between as well, whereas the squares actually don't take up as much room. And so yeah, I've got some new storage. Look at that. And you can never have too much storage, can you? Okay, so I can now kit up 40s. I've got one that's got a 64. I don't use these a lot. I'm not a huge fan. I find that they are just that little bit small, but I suppose if you're maybe doing, I don't know, it's a special with a lot, or a painting that's got a lot of small amounts of colour, then that's brilliant. But I do tend to find that the bigger paintings have a lot of colours, and you do need like the 2,800 of your drills to go in. So yeah, just a bit of fun. Just another package that arrived, and hubby said, "Oh no, what's that you've bought now?" Okay, so that's my storage ideas for today. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. I was very interested to see that this one has come as a 32 as opposed to the 64 of the smaller ones. And yeah, that was really interesting to see. So I'm not sure I would buy another one of these because they are very, very tightly in there. And I've got quite a few of my 30 storage. So yeah, but I definitely love these. And I'm going to have to stop looking, because if these come on special offer again, and I'm just going to be looking and buying them. Okay, well, that's me for now. If you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button, and I'd love you to come and join our little family across here, you'll be notified when any of the videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.